Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to publish a box and set the revenue share for the box with another user. So let's start from the user page of a user. So this is an example page. Obviously, you would be using your page. Let's click on this box, which is an unpublished box. From the box administration page, click on Publish and then Sales Settings. This is the box sales settings page. So here you put the description, the name, and the hashtags for the box. Make sure to be as descriptive as possible. This is the marketing page of your box, so it's important to be as descriptive as possible. You need to explain what a buyer is going to find inside the box. And make sure also to be as accurate as possible. If there is anything that can be seen as misleading in the name, description, or hashtags of the box, we might have to issue a refund if we're asked to do so. So if the box content is not aligned with the description, then we are mandated by our terms of use to send a refund. So make sure to be accurate. Then down below you can set the price, the selling price for the box. So in the first field you can set your selling price. So if you want to receive $10 every time the box is sold, then you put $10 there. And then down below here it shows you what is going to be the final price of the box, the price paid by the buyer. Or if you want to set the total sale price for the box, what is going to be paid by the buyer, you can do that. You can do that there. So for example, you can put $9.99. And then it shows you what your revenue is going to be per each sale of the box. And we also have a couple of links here to the settings page where you can configure your payout settings, your payout account, and how you receive money. And another two important links, how we pay you. So this is about the payout procedure when we pay users and how we pay users, and then we've got a clear explanation of our commission. Then we've got this option to share revenue with other users. So if you want to share the revenue from the box automatically with any other user on BentBox, you can do that from there. For example, let's pick a name here. I'll add this user. Let's put a %, and then here it shows me what is the share in % and the revenue per each box. So in this case, 1.3 USD is 20% of 649. So 649 is the your revenue in terms per each box after our commission, and then 20% of that is 1.3. So you can add more users as well. The good thing about the revenue share system is that, for example, if you're a photographer and you're sharing revenue with the model in the boxes, for example, or another photographer or someone who collaborated on the project, then you can do that very easily from there, and it's all managed automatically. At the end of the month, all revenue share payouts are paid automatically to the other users that receive a revenue share from the box. Then you can decide to show the preview thumbnails for the first 10 images in the box. They are thumbnails, so they are not in high resolution. If you click on promotion of box enabled, the box will be shared automatically to Twitter through the Twitter connector. Then you can set the license system or the licensing option for this box. So if you don't want for your images or videos to be shared anywhere else, then you should go for personal use with download or without download. So in the box administration page, you can decide whether your files can be downloaded or not. If they can be downloaded, then the buyer will be able to download the original images and videos as uploaded by you inside the box. If you click on personal use without download, then the images are not going to be downloadable. All the other licensing options basically give buyers the right to share and reuse your images. Attribution means that they only have to reference you as the author, but they can share it as they like, and they can take the image, put it on other websites, and as long as they reference you as the author, then they can share it. And then there are a few other options which are give buyers different options. The best way to become familiar with this, with what the attributions mean in this case, is to have a look at creativecommons.org. creativecommons.org. That's the website, that's the licensing structure that is applied in here. It's pretty common. It's widely used on many websites for to give a structure to licensing options across the sharing of images. Then you can configure the box as a time box. That means that the box will automatically become unpublished after a certain period of time. You can set it there, and then the box will just unpublish automatically. You can configure an automatic thank you message where you put like, thank you for buying the box. You can find more discounts or more promotions here. This is my page, or whatever you want to put in there. And the message will be sent automatically to every buyer as soon as they buy the box. Then we've got a few important notes about what can be contained in the box, what can be displayed as the cover image of the box. Make sure to read this carefully, because otherwise boxes will be blocked and accounts could be blocked as well. It's very important. We need to maintain BentBox in a certain way at a certain level, so we absolutely need to be careful about what is contained in the box and what is displayed in the cover image of the box, and what can be contained in the description of the box. We've got a page with a list of forbidden words. Make sure to look through it, because if we find any of the words in the forbidden words page, we will block the box immediately and we will close the account. So it's extremely important. Look at it carefully. From here, you can save the box for sale immediately, or you can save the box and schedule the publishing of the box. So if you want to publish the box in 8 hours, 20 hours, whatever it is, you can do that from here, or you can set a date for when the box is going to be published. If the box is already published, you can unpublish it from here. When the box is unpublished, it gets removed from sale as well immediately. So in this case, we click on Save Box for Sale. It takes us to a list of actions, a list of tips to maximize the revenue. It's a kind of a checklist. The most important thing is to talk about your boxes. You are the best promoter of your content. There is a lot of content both on BentBox and on the web, so you need to promote your boxes. It's a must if you want to be successful at selling your content. Marketing is absolutely essential. Make sure to go on Instagram, to go on Facebook, to go on your social media pages and talk about your BentBox page, talk about your boxes, engage with your fans using BentBox messaging system, send them promotions, do all of the marketing activities that you need to do to engage with your followers and grow the base of your following. That's the most important thing to do if you want to grow your business on BentBox and in the sale of content, generally speaking. So this is not just for BentBox. It applies to all fields where you want to sell content. Market your content as much as possible. And here in the checklist, you will see that there are a few pointers to what tools you can use on BentBox to promote your content, what marketing tools are available, and how you can make a little bit more money by referring other users to BentBox. And then once you're finished, click on your box for sale page, and it will take you to the actual sale page where buyers can buy your box. And that's about it. So thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, just send us an email at info@bentbox.co. Thank you very much.